सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक फॉरम में जहां दुनिया भर से कारोबारी अफराद ने शिरकत की, वहीं सऊदी अरब से हलाल सर्टिफिकेट और हलाल मसनूआत की कंपनी के डायरेक्टर जनरल इंजीनियर मोतबल मेज़ानी और रूस की बगैर पायलट हेलीकॉप्टर बनाने वाली कंपनी के डायरेक्टर व्लादिमीर मार्किन और दीगर अफराद ने फॉरम में नुमाइंदा 92 न्यूज़ शाहिद घुम्मन के साथ गुफ्तगू की।
उनकी जानिब से क्या गुफ्तगू की गई, आइए देखते हैं।
Today we are here for this forum, St. Petersburg forum. Actually, we have a lot of subject. We have a subject related to halal accreditation. There is a lot of certification body dealing with halal certification. Those certifiers shall be accredited from accreditation body to be sure about those certifiers is working correctly. There is a lot of demand. There is a lot of business between not only only from the GCC member states and also from the Russian side. A lot of products need halal certification bodies, which is comply with the GSO requirements. This is the aim of our coming here. Actually, we see here a lot of things. We see a lot of cooperation between GCC member states and also the Russian side.
Forum is fine. That's why so many companies who came in Russian first of all, and good impression for good meeting and good ideas about useful to the same helicopter and pilot which presented in this stand now in Bashkiria. This is helicopter is first in Russia which will be certificated, and this is helicopter now is working for production, and that's why we are ready push these helicopters for not only Russian market and foreign markets the same. This was it's good potential for grow up in helicopter service for different kind of economical sectors, like agriculture, for example, or forest controlling, or land controlling, or different maybe administrative controlling of situation and what's necessary for you. Russia now one of the leader in monitoring from high level from cosmos, and of course we are hope we have the same position with helicopters with different goals which necessary and completed, and for a country maybe the same.
I'm glad to be here with Nizhny Novgorod stand. Nizhny Novgorod region is here in St. Petersburg Economic Forum here today, and our stand is made in a special historical conception of Belyana. Belyana is a historical ship which was made in Nizhny Novgorod city in 18th, 19th centuries, and we decided to give the honor of our stand conception to this ship, which was created in Nizhny Novgorod. And I'm happy to meet our friends from other regions here on St. Petersburg Forum.
One of a member of Russian Parliament. I do my job in the tourism, and I want to develop tourism in Russia, outside Russia, inside Russia. So I'm very glad that Pakistani media interested by this forum, and I want to say only welcome to Russia and see by your eyes.
Pakistan Zindabad.